And welcome back. Following their two-match tour of Saudi Arabia, members of the Reggae Boyz team are on their way back home. But, as we hear in this report, 4 members of the team have had to remain in the Middle East. Spencer Darlington reports.
The 4 Reggae Boyz who were tested positive for COVID-19 have been forced to remain in Saudi Arabia to complete their quarantine process before leaving the Middle East. When contacted, General Secretary of the JFF Dalton Wint told TVJ Sports all measures are in place for the care of the players.
We have made the arrangement with our Saudi counterpart to ensure that the players are taken care of. In fact, there is a doctor and a nurse and ambulance on site, and they will be continuously be monitored by these people. And so we are comfortable that they are in good hands. We have spoken to our counterpart, as I said, and they have committed to do this. They have done well in terms of their hospitality for us when we were there, and they will continue that for the 4 players. They will be tested within another 2 days, and if the results is good, they will travel to their respective place of abode.
As to why head of delegation Raymond Anderson or team manager Roy Simpson did not remain with the players, Wint says the players are professionals.
That was not necessary because the FA committed to take care of them. Remember, these are professional adult players, you know. These are not children. And so we wouldn't want the risk of having somebody else staying there and end up catching the virus down there. So that was one of the reasons for us not to do that. But as I said, the commitment is there by the Saudis to take full responsibility, and they have been doing that to take care of the players.
Questions have also arisen as to why Wint, who was tested positive for COVID-19 on arrival in Saudi Arabia on Sunday, attended the second friendly international on Tuesday.
I am cleared, my friend, because obviously I don't have corona. The fact is that there is the possibility of having false positive, and that probably was my case, or is my case, because I was tested the next day, because everybody is required to be tested on the 16th. And so I was tested on the 15th, then retested on the 16th, and it came up with a negative.
The Ministry of Sports is aware of the situation surrounding the players who remain in Saudi Arabia. The Reggae Boyz lost the first game 3-0 to Saudi Arabia, but rebounded with a 2-1 victory in the second contest on Tuesday. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.